Everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a standing triangular shelf in SketchUp. Okay, first of all we have to make a rotated rectangle to basic shape. We can set the basic shape around we can set 1000 millimeter. Then we can set the height of this triangular around 400 millimeter. And then we have to push it up around maybe we can push it up around 20 millimeter only. Then we can make group. So then we can rotate this board. Okay, we can rotate through the green axis and duplicate by press Ctrl on our keyboard, and we can rotate 90 degree. And then we can make the triangle support on here. We can make a triangular support with a line, and we can connect from the corner to the bottom corner, and then we can select this line and we can duplicate by selecting move and control and duplicate it type 40 millimeter. So then we can use the line to complete the unfinished line to make a plane anyway. So then we can push it to the back around 20 millimeter. Okay, and then we can make group, and after that we can make component, create. Then we can select move, control, and place on the another side of it. Okay, then so we can make the another shelf. For upper position we can set the rectangle, start from here to the here maybe. Okay, then we can push it up around 20 millimeter. Okay, and then we can make group. So, and after that we can move, select press Ctrl on our keyboard and place on here. We can type 3/ and enter. Then we can erase some unnecessary object. So in this part we have to adjust of every shelf. We can select this all shelf, and then we can select scale, and we can scale it to the inner position. Okay, so then we can push it to the back one by one of the board itself, because we have to we have to make follow the triangular shape anyway. Okay, and after that we can make the material of it. We can select all, then we can select the color as we want anyway. Then we can edit the color as we want also. Okay, maybe something like this, or we can make it more dark more anyway. Okay, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching, and wait for my next video. Thank you.